Alrighty, today we're going to go over how to draw the dancing Toothless Meme. You know, Toothless from How to Train Your Dragon, but the meme version of him, alright? Let's get started. It's going to be simple, easy, for beginners, so stay with me and you'll know how to draw this in 5 minutes, okay? So, over here I'm going to start with a circle. Doesn't have to be very big. Then, I'm going to go a circle on the inside. Alright. Like so. Fill it in as well. Gonna go for the top of the head and I'm gonna pull a curved line from the front of the snout. So maybe a little bit up right here. Out. Curved line back. And keep it going. Line over here. Okay, so you have the top half of his head right now. Looks like a lizard, like chameleon or something like that. By the way, hit the like if you know what this is. You know, it took me a while to realize what this meme was, but definitely hit that like if you like this. So little kind of ear, the frill at the end, bump, bump, kind of for the head itself. Maybe one more bump. Out over here for the other frill on the back. All right. Couple more frills here. Lower half of the face, curve. Kind of looks like Kermit or something. We're gonna pull it back around right underneath the eye here, or close, a little bit further back. And we're gonna pull straight line down, okay? It looks like a big, like, newspaper or something. At the bottom, we'll draw a curve for the foot, down. It's gonna be flat foot, curve back. And then that's gonna continue down into the other foot. There's a lot of cool stuff in the description, by the way, speaking of foot. Well, that's actually, there's no transition from that, but a lot of cool free stuff in the description. There's a free ebook. There's a lot of cool things in there. There's playlists. There's a lot of stuff to help you. So go take a look at that when you have time. Pause the video, take a look at the description. Lots of cool stuff, all right? There's a lot of free resources to go to. And from the back over here, I'm gonna pull down like so. Maybe put a space, continue down, and curve underneath. Over here, gonna go up, up, the tail. Curve right here, down, and back over here. You got the tail right there, right? Really interesting shape. This meme has like such a weird look to it. I think that's why I was standing out on TikToks and stuff like that. So let's go over here now. We're gonna put kind of some spikes on the tail, but like some cute spikes. All right, we're gonna go over here to the arm, and the arm's gonna be weird, like it's gonna tuck in, curve like so. Up right here. Pull up, line right there. That's gonna be like, it starts right here in the body and his hand's gonna come out flat like that. Let's go over here and draw a frill right there, just a bump, bump. Another bump, another bump. Line up, down, curve back. All right, we're doing good. You're doing good, okay? All right, let's do this right here. Nostril, other nostrils, just 2 dashes. That's it. Let's go over here and about level to this point, we're gonna find the far side eye right there. It's gonna look wrong when you draw it, but that's just the way it is, trust me. And then put the inner portion of that eye right there, okay? Then we're gonna draw a line, line, line. And there you go. Don't forget to check out the new blog, okay? There's a new blog. It's sketchmonsterart.com. I'm adding to it all the time. It's basically you know, very specific things on drawing, on, you know, digital art, on art in general, on what else? You know, ways to get better at art, programs. There's a sticker store there. There's all kinds of stuff. But like I'm working on it constantly, so go take a look at it. It's kind of in the first stage of it. But there you go. That is Dancing Toothless, the meme. All right, let's follow along and do another lesson with me, okay? So stick around. You can share the video. That'd be great. That'll help a lot with the algorithm, but that'd be great. Do that. And then let's stick around and go on to the next video. All right, let's get going to the next lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.